Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great in your life. Ace of Cups. I just cut it out here. So, yes, this is your extended general love reading for the month of April 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you. But if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating and leave the rest. Gender is not specific here, and I don't read reversals. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and thank you very much for giving lots of love to the channel. See, Eight of Wands wants to come out. I have already uploaded your main reading. You can have a look on that too. So yes, communication is coming towards you. In this video, I'm going to clarify these cards, okay? But without starting your clarification, I got two cards already, the Eight of Wands again. Lot of communication is coming towards you, Aquarius. Communication is coming towards you from your partner, from your love, okay? So here is that. See, Seven of Pentacles and love. Lovers again. Whatever seeds you have put in your relationship, this is a time you are going to get the rewards. The reward time has come for you. So now let's start your reading. But you are juggling between two situations, or this is your person energy here, but someone is juggling between two situations or two persons. I need to see who is that. Okay, so now let's start your clarification. This is your extended love reading, of course. So let's see what are the meaning of these cards in the extended. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which I need to deliver for my Aquarius. Help me out in this extended love reading. Let's start your clarification. Why there is Ace of Cups? Clarify me, Ace of Cups. Why there is Ace of Cups? Bottom of the deck, I'm having Six of Swords. You will come towards the calmer waters here, Aquarius. And here I'm having Eight of Swords and the King of Pentacles. Someone is stuck on you, Aquarius. This Eight of Swords is a mind. The person is trapped in their own mind thoughts. Okay, this is self-imposed thought process that I can say. So they are stuck on you basically. So this person can be someone who is financially stable, grounded, who is, there can be an age gap between you and this person, but they are stuck on you. They are stuck on you. They cannot move in a forward direction. So that's why they want to come towards you, and they want to come towards the calmer waters here. Clarify me, lovers. They cannot sleep at night here, Aquarius. Nine of Swords is here. And the Justice. They cannot sleep at night. They're spending sleepless nights here. Or this is your energy. You cannot sleep at night. You did not sleep at night. Many sleepless nights you have spent in the past. And that's the karmic justice which is being served in your case. Now they want to come towards you with the rushing towards you by running towards you here. Okay, clarify me Death card here. Wow. Wow. Ace of Cups. This is the new beginning here, Aquarius. Whatever sleepless nights was there here, you were spending, that is going to end here, Aquarius. The sleepless nights is going to end for you. And what is coming for you, what is the transformation, what is the rebirth which is taking place for you is Ace of Cups. Can you see Ace of Cups? And Ace of Cups is here 2 times. So some emotional fulfillment is coming for you, Aquarius. This is the new beginning for you. A cup which is full of emotions. So that's the rebirth, new beginning for you, Aquarius. Sleepless nights are over, Aquarius. Clarify me Eight of Wands. Why there is Eight of Wands? Why there is Eight of Wands? Wow. Okay. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Five of Cups. They are very sad, remorse, guilt. They're feeling very much sad, Aquarius, without you, because they were the someone who was in and out in in the relationship here. This is not a new energy. This is someone from your past here. Knight of Wands and Queen of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, sorry. So this was someone who was in and out player kind of energy, who will come and play with your emotions and ghost you away. But now this is coming back here, Aquarius. Can you see? Queen of Pentacle and King of Pentacle both are here. They are not happy at all without you. So they are coming towards you to give you Ace of Cups. Can you see here? They want to offer you Ace of Cups here. And they see you as someone who is very much financially stable, who knows how to manage their finances here. You are very independent here, Aquarius. Clarify me Three of Cups. Why there is Three of Cups here? Because of the third party situation, you did not accept the cup in the past. See, but that situation is going to end here again. That card is here again. Third party is going to end in your life, Aquarius. Whatever, maybe, see, Four of Cups and Seven of Cups. Lot of choices I can see here. Three of Cups, Four of Cups, and there is Seven of Cups. Lot of cup energy is here. So yes, you did not accept the cup because this person was having lot of options to choose. Maybe they were dealing with the third party situation here. They were involved with the third party situation. See how the light dims. Yes, that's the indication. They were involved. 1 minute. Yes, that's the light is dimmed. Okay, fine. So yes, they were involved in lot of third party situation in the past. They were exploring lot of options here, Aquarius, and because of that you did not accept the cup here with this person. But now they're coming towards you again. But whatever they were exploring the options, maybe they were exploring lot of options here in the past. That situation is going to end here again. The Death card is here. They are going to get you a stable commitment offer. If they did not commit you in the past, now they are going to give you a commitment. Why there is no brightness here? Okay, now it's brightness here. Okay, so now that situation is going to end here. Clarify me Ace of Pentacle. Clarify me Ace of Pentacle. Why there is Ace of Pentacle? Why there is... Wow. This is your divine counterpart, Aquarius. This is someone with whom you have destiny with. Page of Swords, Queen of Cups and King of Cups. You both were spying with each other here. Can you see? This is a power couple. Again a power couple here. You both were keeping tabs on each other here, Aquarius. Wow, can you see? Three of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles. Again, bottom of the deck. Strength, Nine of Cups. Yeah. You both were keeping tabs on each other, okay? You both were looking each other here. You both were spying on each other about what you both are doing in your life. You both are meant to be together here, Aquarius. This is your divine counterpart. You both belong to each other basically. Okay, clarify me Moon. Why there is Moon here? What? Okay, this is why the Moon is here. Three of Cups, Five of Pentacles, Five of Wands, Seven of Wands. In the past, this person left you out in cold because of the third party situation. Because of the third party situation, they left you out in cold here. And see, lot of conflicts was there in this with this person in the past. There was a third party for sure here. There was a third party here. Lot of threes are here. And because of that third party, this person left you out in cold here. They did not give you any kind of commitment and they left you out in cold. There were a lot of conflicts with this person, that is for sure. Lot of fighting, drama, conflicts. Here I'm having 5 of swords and 5 of wands both. So yes, there were a lot of fighting, drama, arguments with this person. And because of that, your guards are up now. Your self-defensive mode is on now with the 7 of wands. You are protecting your energy. Maybe this person tried to communicate with you, but you did not open up. You did not open up. You did not put your guards down. Because you know the truth that this person was there in your past and they put you in a third party situation. Okay, clarify me Ace of Wands. Clarify me Ace of Wands. Why there is Ace of Wands? They are manifesting you, Aquarius. Yeah, see? Magician and the Star. They are doing the manifestation. They are hoping for new hopes, new desires. They are hoping for you. 1133 was the recording reading time. They are doing the manifestation. Bottom of the deck, I'm having 5 of swords again. And this is the next card which I'm having. 5 of swords. They are hoping for you, Aquarius. Even after a lot of fighting, drama, conflicts with you, they are doing the manifestation. They are manifesting you basically. Because you are the one who ignite the passion in them. They are doing the manifestation here. They are hoping that this time there will be no conflicts. That's why they are ready to give you commitment. Why there is 5 of swords? Four of Pentacles. You are holding back with this person. 1, 2, 3, 4 was the recording reading time. You are not opening up. Can you see? Either you know this person very well, Aquarius. Can you see Hierophant is here? This person triggered your spiritual awakening, or you triggered this person's spiritual awakening. You become more wise after this situation. That's the message I'm getting. Or you are already married to this person, or you are committed to this person for a long period of time. But here, can you see, you are not ready to open up. You are holding back yourself. You are not giving your energy. Your guards are up. Why there is 2 of Pentacle? Why there is 2 of Pentacle here? Why there is 2 of Pentacle? They offer you cup. They offer you a stable... See what has happened. 3 of Pentacle, Ace of Pentacle here again. So yes, you think that there is some kind of third party situation which is involved in your case. This party is here again. They are offering you some kind of stable committed offer for sure here, Aquarius. Cards are repeating again and again from my both decks. Here, can you see Ace of Pentacle, Ace of Pentacle here? And because of this third party, you are juggling a lot here. You are thinking that whether I should accept this offer or whether I should not accept this offer. You are thinking like that. But they are going to give you some kind of stable committed offer, that is for sure. Okay, let me see the Fool. Why there is Fool here? Clarify me, Fool. Why there is Fool? Bottom of the deck, I'm having the Sun. This is the happiest card in the tarot deck here, Aquarius. 2 of Swords, Page of Pentacles, 6 of Pentacles. Yes, they are right now unable to make a decision here, or you are unable to make a decision, but yes, they are coming towards you with give you equal amount of give and take here. They want to create a new happy beginnings with you, Aquarius. This is the happiest card in the tarot deck. They want new happy beginnings with you. Okay, so yes, that was your clarification. This is beautiful here, Aquarius. Maybe in the past there was a third party situation which was involved in your case, and because of that you are not in a mood to accept the cup. You are thinking that whether I should accept the cup or not. Okay, but use your intuitions and you will come towards the calmer waters. Now let's see what is the advice from the universe. What is the advice from the divine for this reading? Give me the advice for Aquarius April love reading. Please give me the advice. What is the advice? What is the advice for Aquarius? What is the advice? Please give me the advice for Aquarius. What is the advice? Knight of Swords. See, they are rushing towards you. Ten of Pentacles. They are going through a lot of pain. Lot of pain. They are going through with lot of pain here, Aquarius. Five of Wands. Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, there was a third party situation. They broke your heart here in the past. Three of Wands, Three of Swords, Five of Cups, and they left you out in cold. But now they are at the crossroads. They are making the judgment, and here they are completing the cycle here. They are working. You are working on yourself. See again. This is your divine counterpart here, Aquarius. I told you. See, from this deck also, King of Pentacle, Queen of Pentacle. This is your divine counterpart. Okay, they are rushing towards you, Aquarius. They want to create the empire with you, abundance of everything they want to create with you. Ten of Pentacles. They are going through with lot of fighting, drama here, lot of conflicts, lot of pain. Ten of Swords and Five of Wands. They're going through with lot of things in their life here, and after going through with this lot of things, now they are making a decision here. Can you see how the brightness has increased automatically? Even I tried my level best to increase the brightness, but it was not increasing. So yes, they are going through with lot of dark energies here, that they are going through a lot of pain and drama in their life. But now they are making a decision here, and once they decide to make a decision, light comes here. Okay, and the World card here comes again. They're completing a cycle here. They're closing out a cycle with you. You are working on yourself. You're putting all the energies and time and efforts on yourself. You're working on yourself here. They left you out in cold here in the past. Three of Swords, Three of Wands, and the Five of Cups. They left you out in the cold here again. I can say that here. Can you see? Five of Pentacles, Five of Cups. But don't put Five of Cups and Five of Pentacles, both are here, but don't focus on those things which has already happened in the past. Someone broke their heart here, Aquarius. They was treated badly with someone here, and this was your energy too. They put you in a third party situation. They broke your heart, and they know that. But this is someone who is destined to be with you. Okay, this is someone who has destined to be with you. You both belong to each other here, Aquarius. I can say that. Why I'm saying that with full confidence is that here I'm having King of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles. Here King of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles. See. Then here I'm having King of Cups and Queen of Cups. Can you see? This can be an earth sign. This can be a water sign, air sign. This sign can be anyone. Okay, but and they want to give, they are going to give you some kind of stable committed offer, that is for sure. I am now going to show you the cards which has been repeated in my both decks. The Ace of Pentacle is repeated, so they want to give you some kind of stable committed offer. Ace of Cups and Ace of Cups here. emotional fulfillment. 3 aces in your reading here, Aquarius. Ace of Wands is here. Okay. So this was your extended love reading for the month of April. I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love, healing light and beautiful energies to all my Aquarius, whoever is watching this video, wherever you are in the world. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.